In today's video, we're walking through how to launch a WordPress website on IONOS for just $1 per month and how the free domain options actually work. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been putting off starting a website because you think it's expensive or complicated, this is going to really simplify everything for you. By the end of this video, you'll truly understand what I mean when I say $1 WordPress plan on IONOS, how the free domain offer works, and what to watch out for, and how to get your site live without overthinking it. This is really important because starting a website shouldn't feel like a huge financial or technical commitment, especially if you're just getting started. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start off with the basics. What even is IONOS? If you're not familiar, IONOS is a web hosting provider that offers really beginner-friendly hosting options, including low-cost WordPress hosting. Hosting is essentially what makes your website available on the actual internet. Without hosting, your site doesn't exist online at all. IONOS combines hosting, domain registration, and basic site management into one dashboard. And for beginners, this just means fewer accounts to manage and fewer decisions to make up front. One of the reasons IONOS is really popular with new site owners is the low introductory pricing. The entry-level WordPress plan is designed to help people launch a real website for very little money while still having room to grow later. So, low-cost WordPress hosting. IONOS actually offers WordPress hosting plans that start at $1 per month for the first year. For beginners, this removes one of the biggest barriers to start. You can experiment, learn, and build without feeling pressure to make it worth it immediately. They also have free domain options that we're going to go over. So most IONOS WordPress plans include a free domain for the first year. This means you don't have to pay separately for your website name right away. The domain is the address where people type into their browser to find your site. Having it included just really simplifies setup and reduces initial cost. Why IONOS is also very popular is because of their one-click WordPress setup. So it's really simple to install WordPress. You don't need to manually upload files or configure databases. This makes it possible to go from zero to a live WordPress site in a very short amount of time, even if you've never done this before. They also got a centralized dashboard, so hosting, domains, email, and site settings are all managed from one single dashboard. This is really helpful if you're new and don't want to juggle multiple tools. Everything you need to get started lives in one place. Understanding the $1 pricing. So I just want to be very clear that the $1 per month pricing is actually an introductory offer. This means you get the discounted rate for the first year, but $1 a month for the first year is so good. That's saving you 94%. But after the introductory period ends, you do renew at the standard rate. And this is really normal for all hosting providers, but it's just really important to understand upfront so there aren't any surprises. The goal of this pricing really is to lower the barrier to entry, not to lock you into something forever. The free domain included with IONOS hosting usually applies to common extensions like .com, .net, or similar options. You select your domain during signups, and then IONOS will register it for you. The cost of the domain is covered for the first year as long as you keep the hosting active. After the first year, the domain renews at the normal yearly price. You're not required to keep it forever, but you do need to renew it if you want to keep using the same website address. Okay, so now I just wanted to show you how to quickly launch an IONOS WordPress site. So if you want to get started, again, use our link down in the description below. And again, I'll go over these plans in a bit more depth, but the $1 per month for the first year is the plus plan right here. Okay, so you'll just add to cart, go ahead and complete your login information. And then once you are logged in, this is what it looks like. So you've got your domain here where you can register your domain, your email address, your website, hosting, servers, security, all of the things. We're going to go to websites. So I've already got a couple demos set up right here, but to create a new website, you'll click create new website. You can select one of these, sell online, add existing website. You'll create a website, and then you'll just follow the prompts to pick a theme, or you can let the AI help get everything set up. And again, it will take only a few minutes to get that started. Now you're in the website builder. So you can go ahead and design colors, you can design shapes, fonts, and everything in between. If you want to kind of quickly see all of your content, it gives you a little overview right here. So you can see it. And then if we go into the design, again, you can do colors, fonts, shapes, spacing, changing everything in between. And then this is where all of your pages are. So a really cool feature of IONOS is they do have AI built in to help with everything. So, but one of the pieces is the SEO. So if you come in here and you edit all of the copy on here, you just click this little magic button right here and it will go ahead and redo the SEO for you. It's really powerful, especially because SEO can feel very complex and it really doesn't have to be, especially if you're new. So having that AI is really, really helpful. Even just with building websites, it's like you already put so much time and effort into it. SEO just feels like another thing to do. So it's really cool that they have that SEO. Okay, this is where you can build all of your pages. If you want to add a page with AI, you can come in here. You'll type in the page name right here. Maybe you just want testimonials. What would you like to mention? Testimonials of all our happy customers. Obviously, you'll want to put more detail in there, but for the sake of this example, I'm just going to leave it at that. And then you can go ahead and put the tone of voice. You can click next. And then here you can customize it. So then you can, if you want to put an article, image gallery, maybe after that to show all your happy customers, you can go ahead and do that. Click next. And then you just let the AI go ahead and add the page. But again, it's really simple to come in here and launch a website, especially with their AI. You can use a template or start from scratch, but I would recommend using the AI because then it already adds some copy in there and it's not an end all be all, but it does give you such a great starting point, and then you can go in there and add all of your brand voice and everything in between. I wanted to touch on a few common mistakes beginners can make. So one mistake that I would recommend avoiding is overthinking the domain name. It's okay if it's not perfect. You can always rebrand later. Another mistake is installing too many plugins right away. Start simple and add tools only when you need them. Some beginners also forget to plan for renewal pricing, so just make a note of when the introductory period ends so you can decide whether to keep the plan or upgrade. And now for the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of using IONOS for your first WordPress site is affordability. The low introductory price makes it very accessible for beginners who really want to test ideas without a really big investment. Another benefit is simplicity. Hosting, domain, and WordPress setup are all handled in one place, which just reduces confusion for new users. Now on the downside, the low price is temporary. You just need to be aware of the regular pricing once the intro period ends. Another consideration is that some of the plans do have limits, but this $1 per month is actually not even the most basic plan, which is really cool. But as your site grows, you're going to need more resources and features. So again, just some things to keep in mind, but for most beginners, these trade-offs are very reasonable. Okay, now if you want to click the link down in the description below, it will bring you to all of their web hosting plans. And with that link, you can save up to 94% off. They have some other plans as well. So they've got the essential plan, which is just $4 per month for the first year, and then it only goes up to $8 after that. Okay, so it's still a really great deal, even without the 60% off. So you get a website, you get the lowest amount of storage and basic CPUs. You still get a professional email, unmetered bandwidth, one-click install, daily backups, free 24/7 support. They also have the starter plan, which is $6 per month, which that plan is saving you 50% off for the first year. You get 10 websites, 100 gigabytes, 50 databases, and everything else that's in the essential plan. And then they've got the plus plan, which is the $1 a month for the first year. And then that goes to $14 a month, which again, if you have done research on other website builders, even $14 a month is very reasonable. And with this, you get unlimited websites, unlimited databases, unlimited storage, and then of course, everything that is in the starter plan. Then the ultimate is $10 per month for the first year, and then it goes up to $18 a month. With this, you get everything that's in the plus plan, but you get the maximum CPU resources, okay? So choose a plan that best fits your needs. But another cool thing about IONOS, again, is they do have a 30-day money-back guaranteed. So if you start off with it and you don't feel like it's working with your workflow, you can get your money back. They also guarantee 99.99% uptime, and you get SSL, DDoS protection, and backup. So again, very powerful and a really great deal. If you want to launch a WordPress site with minimal upfront costs, this setup is such a solid choice. It's really helpful if you're learning, testing an idea, or just building your first site. It's also a good fit if you want something real and live without committing to expensive tools right away. If you already run a high traffic site or need advanced customization, you might outgrow the plan. But for beginners, it's such a great starting point. I know how intimidating it can feel to start a website when you're worried about cost and technical setup. A low-cost WordPress plan like this really removes a lot of that pressure and lets you focus on learning and building. If you want to go ahead and check out IONOS and get started with WordPress for $1 per month, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.